This video is an introduction to a possible user experience in our system. This is actually a very difficult video to produce because there are so many different ways that we might define a user experience. For example, you may be a company with only one or two courses, in which case you wouldn't use this user experience and you would just turn on showing only the one or two courses. Or you may be a company that all you really care about is exposing the required training. And then people would log in, they would see their required courses. Or you may be an organization that is focused on professional development and you have hundreds or thousands of courses, and landing that person into an engagement platform is more appropriate for the need. So I'm going to try and talk on all of these here in this brief video. So the primary navigation is tiles. So these are also responsive if you're on a mobile device. Tiles are user definable. The tiles that we turn on or off are based upon your preferences. So we may not show all these tiles. We may show more tiles. It just depends upon where your needs are. Tiles should be self-explanatory. Shouldn't be any training needed to come in and use the system. My enrollments represents training that I'm assigned in. If I click on a course, brings me into a course homepage. This is the heart of the user experience in engaging with the training. Just a couple of things to point out. Upper left-hand corner represents what you've done in the training, what your status is. Course information gives you pictures and description information, tells you if there are any prerequisites, or if this is part of a learning track program, or if there are any trainers, how to contact them. This is always available after they're enrolled. Now, I am currently enrolled in the training, so I automatically default to my activities tab. The main navigation in the system is through a course outline. A course is broken into sections, and within sections are one or more activities. You have the ability to enforce rules in that I cannot go into this section until this section is done. We build a course consisting of one or more activities. So this is an activity with a test and a survey, then an e-learning, with another e-learning, another e-learning, and so on. We can build blended courses and all kinds of different ways of interacting with the user. If a course has got documents or job aids, or if there are other languages or course equivalencies that are available, they all will show up here. There are other tabs that we might turn on for discussions, for example, and some other things that we've done for clients on a custom basis. So the tabs here, again, should be self-explanatory. Let's briefly look at the history tab. If I click on that, I can view up all the completions I've done. If I click on a course, up will come the course with the ability to print a certificate if that's what I want to do. Again, these are all things that we turn on or off based upon client needs. There's the messages feature. The messages feature gives you the ability to view all internal messages and all emails that the system has generated. You do not have to use email. Your users do not have to have email addresses to use our system. And we can use internal messaging to communicate with them when needed. There's also a nice ability to view the communication. So this is a cancellation that took place. The actual email is logged to the database and it's available for the user. And we found that, someone's inbox can get really too messy. This allows all the internal communications to be kept and managed. There's a building engagement platform in the system where I can search by keyword or by category or other criteria. If I select HR training, for example, up will come all the HR related courses. Then I can further filter by delivery or other criteria. Everything you see here is user configurable. The engagement side of the system is designed so that only the resources and courses that are appropriate to the user who is logged in display. So I might be sales and I see sales training. I might be a customer and I see only customer courses. I never see stuff that I don't have any ability to access. Um, there are other capabilities. There's a calendar feature to view virtual classes and upcoming classes to self-register into. Not part of this demonstration, but it's kind of the tip of the iceberg of things that are available and that can be done. If you have any questions, love to do a demonstration, answer any questions, just please give us a shout. Thanks. Have a great day.